Yedenene koştelelenia kapana na 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 no stella rara pasta. Oi na putara na sigimela imela papamo. Lebanana na kash. Oi na putara na sigimela imela papamo. I was the one who owed the debt and I couldn't pay, but you gave your son to take my place, so I'll be called your righteousness. And by this one sacrifice, you changed my name, covered my shame, and now I am your righteousness. Great is your salvation. Now I owe no debt. I sing the song of freedom, 'cause you have saved my soul from death. You have saved me. You have delivered me. Yeah. Oh, in Abutara, I am here to say thank you. I am here to say thank you. This one that you saved is grateful. This one that you saved is grateful, God. See the slave of sin now singing freedom song. See mortal man with the hope of eternal life, just because you gave your son. See the one outside has entered boldly. You have the